Hello guys, LifeHackster here. Just a quick video today. As you know, or hopefully know, that at this time of recording, there's only two battery-powered Eufy cameras that can be plugged in and you'll be able to set it to record 24/7. And that is their flagship eufycam, the eufycam S3 Pro, and also what I call their sleeper camera because it is their cheaper tracking battery camera, the SoloCam E30, and not the more expensive S340. Anyways, I made a couple of videos showing this setup and I will link it down below if you haven't seen it yet. I can tell you though, this SoloCam E30 is Eufy's most versatile camera. It is battery powered, it comes with its own solar panel that mounts directly to the camera, and now you can also wire it in using USB-C. Now to be able to record 24/7, the power supply needs to output 5 volts 2 amps. And Eufy did release a 15-foot USB-C cable just for this. The only thing is that you have to provide your own 2 amp power brick. I then realized that Ring has a plug-in power supply and also Blink, which both are USB Type-C plugs and has 3 and 2 amps output respectively. Unfortunately, and the irony, because we're all trying to standardize the USB platform to USB-C, they are not the same. In Ring's case, the plug is smaller and it cannot properly sit in place. Compared to the Eufy plug, it is shorter, that it doesn't fit properly on Eufy's USB-C port. With a Blink, it is wider, and if you try to plug it in, it doesn't fit. It hits the oval edge on the port of the Eufy, but with a little modification, this should work. Okay, warning and disclaimer first. Do this at your own risk. Depending on how you do the modification, this might not be as weather resistant as compared to using Eufy's cable. But if you're installing the camera, or if there's some type of protection from the top, like under the eaves in my case, this should be okay. Also, this 13-foot weather resistant adapter from Blink is only 10 bucks. And Eufy's cable, just the cable, is 20 bucks. So this is actually the cheaper route and it's not going to break the bank if you try it. Anyways, what we are going to do is thin out the stem of the plug. First, remove the rubber gasket and we will shave this part here, which I'm going to use this utility knife. And just shave and take off this lip. You have to thin out all the sides. Let's test it out. Now it is able to be plugged in. And you can just replace the rubber seal and plug it again. And to test, let's plug this in for power. Oh yeah, the status light is on. And I got the notification that my SoloCam E30 is now in wired mode. You can then screw in the Blink's weatherproof adapter near your power outlet, do some wire management, and plug it in. And plug the other end to the camera. Now the SoloCam E30 is in wired mode, and you can set it to record 24/7 if you want. By the way, when plugged in, it performs better because it uses camera-based detection, so it can detect farther and also has a pre-recording, so you will not miss any motion events. Oh, I bet someone is going to comment, oh, it is wired, so anybody can just unplug it. Well, aside from being recorded and owners notified when someone attempts to unplug the camera, it will also just change to battery mode. So this SoloCam E30 will keep on working. And how about the eufycam S3 Pro? Yes, this modified Blink plug-in adapter will also work with your S3 Pro. Anyways, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.